Geveze. Good morning. Hi. How are you? Are you okay? Yeah. She just wake up. And yeah, telling her dream, I think. Right? Geveze. Hi. Hi, girl. How are you? I miss you too. Geveze. Geveze. What over? Good morning. What are you doing over there? Come here. Come here, my girl. How are you? Why? Why are you yelling at me? Don't yell at me. Yeah. Oh, give us it.